Yo guys!
Yo guys.
We're at the Hidden River Cafe, but we can't actually find it.
No.
Do you know where it is?
I think it might be behind us.
Of course it's behind us. But literally guys, this is like the middle of nowhere and there's some cabins you can rent here as well. Have a little look at this, Jordan. Look at that though. Wow. Another stunning location in the Lake District, and apparently guys, the best Sunday lunch in the Lake District. So we're gonna find that out now. We're just having a quick little walk around the estate. We'll try this lunch out and let you know.
Yeah.
Guys, food is here. Look at this, mashed potato, roast potatoes. So I'm excited for this one, guys. Guys, we're here at the Hidden River Cafe, or the Hidden River Barn actually. This place is amazing, guys. Look at this, proper like old school barn convert. Well, it's not, it's like done really well, like quite new. It smells so nice in here. It's a beautiful restaurant. Down there is a lovely river. Yeah, I'm super excited for this. I've seen some food coming out, it looks really good.
I know, it smells right nice.
Yeah, but what an amazing place in the Lake District, guys, right off the hidden track. I mean, this has got to be 6-7 miles from anywhere.
Yeah.
We're just in the middle of nowhere, but a fantastic setting.
Yeah, there's a wedding on, and oh my god, this is probably the best place to have a wedding.
If you look at the description below, we'll have a link to this place, so you can want to check it out. But yeah, Hidden River Cafe, Hidden River Barn. 100% a roast pork for you, I reckon.
Definitely roast pork. See what it's like for hours, yeah?
Roast beef for me, obviously, but yeah, I'm excited for this one, guys. We're gonna order some drinks, get into the food. Let's go. What's the sound? Grasshopper.
Don't know what that is.
Look at this though, absolutely stunning, isn't it? Every attention to detail here is here. Even down to the little lights on the gate. Food is here. Look at this, we've got a roast beef. Oh wow. And a roast pork. It looks so cool on the plate, like a roll of beef, we have a Yorkie, mashed potato, roast potatoes. So I'm excited for this one, guys. It does look pretty stunning, amazing location. Got the river right out there. Yeah, the gravy smells amazing, guys. Got some veg now, guys, as well. Can't wait to get stuck into this. Roast a Lakeland pork. The gravy looks amazing, isn't it?
Oh wow.
The gravy is so nice.
Right nice.
I've got some lovely veg here. Cabbage, mashed swede, and some beautiful broccoli. How's the pork? Is it good?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. It's a feather bladed beef. Beautifully cut. I knew it would do. Look at that, guys. Oh wow, so tender. How's the veg and stuff? You like it?
Yeah, I like the potatoes.
What are you saying so far?
Right nice.
Yorkie time.
Yorkie time.
Who makes a good Yorkie?
You make the best Yorkie.
So let's test it out with mine. What do you think of the gravy though?
Nice.
It's really
Brownie.
it's quite thick, but it's beautiful. You've got a side of gravy on yours.
Yeah.
I'll try a bit of it. Oh. Look at this beef though. Keep saying it, but oh, beautiful Cumbrian beef, Jordan. Wow.
Wow.
That was really good actually. Good gravy, good meat. I love the little feather bladed beef. Don't really see that much in pubs, do you? They normally slice it. Well, top side of it is sirloin, but feather blade. It's actually a nice cut as well. Bit of fat in there. Beautifully done. Gravy was excellent. Potatoes were good. Veg was alright actually, and the setting was stunning. How was your pork?
It was amazing.
Yeah, the pork was good. You had a different gravy to me, didn't you? You had like a side au jus.
A side au jus.
But yeah, guys, highly recommend this place, Hidden River Cafe near Carlisle in the Lake District. But there's a beautiful cafe at reception, so you can also have some lovely teas there, some coffees, a little San Miguel, whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do, we can do for you. We are at Hadrian's Wall, guys, for a little walk. The scenery up here is absolutely amazing. It's a little bit cold. We've come to see Hadrian's Wall. Jordan's all up on the history of this.
No, I'm not.
He's been studying. Wow. Also, what day is it today, Jordan?
It's our 7th year anniversary.
We said it was 8 years on social media, but we got it wrong. Stunning. Go for a little walk. I'm quite excited about this. I like a bit of walking in the countryside.
Great countryside. Great wall.
Stunning, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, guys, that was absolutely amazing.
It was gorgeous.
Beautiful, and the staff are so cool. Everyone's like asking what we're filming for, so we definitely give these guys a good review. Obviously,
oh yeah, definitely.
Hidden River Cafe near Carlisle in the Lake District. Absolutely beautiful food, guys. Great service. Really nice people. And you guys know what to do if you like the video. Hit the like button below and the subscribe, and we will see you next week or in a few days. Who knows? Bye. Bye, guys.